Hey everybody, so I had to go outside to my garden and harvest, and it's raining. So I'm gonna show y'all overall everything I got, but I also had to get, this is a full basket of tomatoes, plus the tomatoes that I harvested earlier today. So, and I was trying to, I'm gonna put some of the, I'm trying to like, that one is splitting, so these I'm going to put where I can get to them because I don't want to, I'm putting these on my dining room table. Let me move some of these over because some of them are like, they're blushing and they will turn eventually. Y'all, I even had to go through the bedroom window. You hear me, girl? Because I couldn't get to some of them and it was crazy. So I had some banana peppers. I don't know if these are yellow wax peppers or banana peppers, but I'm gonna just freeze all of those anyway. So I had, look at that. This one ain't quite that deep, pretty red like this one is. So I'm gonna let that just go a few more days. And they don't take long. They got, some of them was sitting in the dirt, y'all, and I was like, oh my God, I was so scared. Look at how pretty these tomatoes are. These are the Cherokee, oh shoot, the Cherokee tomatoes. I ran out of the seeds. I got these from Haas. I only had 10 of those seeds, but when I tell y'all this is gonna be in my garden again next year. I'm gonna have to buy some more, and that's because I already have a lot of tomato seeds that I want to plant anyway. But when you find something that's prolific, you definitely want to add them to your garden or keep adding them because you know it's something that's going to grow. So I have one more that dropped that I couldn't get to, but I'm gonna see, hopefully later on I can get to it. But I was kind of scared to be trying to get to it too much because that's the same area where I know that rabbit been hanging out, and I don't want to disturb if she got babies or something over there. So I don't know. Y'all, I mean, this is crazy. And I just got, my husband's like, I don't want to be coming home and picking me in tomatoes. Sorry, you want to eat, don't you? All right, so I'm about to show y'all what I got. And then, because I got some in the kitchen too. So let me turn y'all around and show y'all. So this is my harvest for today. This is just today, okay? This is everything that I harvested today out the garden. Then I do have a few more in the kitchen. Some of these were in the windowsill, but a lot of these also came out the garden this morning. And then all of those definitely came out the garden this morning. So all I'm gonna say is if you're still thinking about planting a garden, just drop a seed. Don't compare yourself to anybody else. Ask questions when you don't know, but just try it because you're never gonna know. And what you think is a failure is not a failure. It's a lesson that you can learn from. So I hope that helps, and I will see y'all in the next video.